Good morning, dear students. Today, we shall understand the job skills required for post-COVID pandemic situation. Before coming to the main topic, let us first understand the basic skill sets which are required for a job. Job skills are the foundation skills required for workers in the high performance workplace. Job skills are skills which an employer looks for during the hiring process, that is, during recruitment and selection. The job skills can be divided into two parts. First, as the soft skills, and second, as the hard skills. We will have a quick preview of soft skills first. Soft skills are combination of people skills, social skills, communication skills, character or personality traits, attitude, social intelligence, emotional intelligence that enable people to navigate their environment, work well with others, perform well, and achieve their goals along with organizational goals. Soft skills are also known as people skills or interpersonal skills. Almost every job requires employees to engage with others, either inside or outside of your organization. So, making these skills something not to be overlooked. Soft skills focus on who people are. They serve to represent your approach to life and towards work. Soft skills, we can say, are non-technical skills that relate to how you work. They include how you interact with your colleagues, solve problems and manage your work. Hiring managers typically look for job candidates with soft skills because they make someone more successful at the workplace. As someone can be excellent with technical, job specific skills, but if they can't manage their time or work within a team, they may not be successful in the workplace. The basic skills like reading, writing, speaking, listening. The thinking skills like creative thinking, problem solving, decision making, visualization. People skills like social, negotiation, leadership, teamwork, cultural diversity. Personal qualities like self esteem, self management, responsibility are the skills required for high productivity and performance in an organization. Hard skills, on the other hand, are technical skills that are job specific. The hard skills of your workforce come from education, certifications, training, and work experience. These skills can be taught, are measurable, and have the ability to be tested through exams and practical assignments. While hard skills are learned and mastered over time, soft skills are often harder to develop and evaluate and measure. For example, a subject teacher or an instructor. His role is to teach and conduct a particular course. The instructor's required hard skills are thorough knowledge of curriculum, developing lesson plans, developing educational strategies, using appropriate technology, for example, nowadays Google Classrooms, Google Meets. Whereas the soft skills required for an instructor will be communication, organization, leadership, critical thinking, and problem solving. Now, coming to the present year 2020. This year being the most remarkable and memorable year which have changed everything, right from human thinking to the drastic change in lifestyle. Not only humans but the surrounding, the environment, the nature have faced many abrupt challenges and changes. The one single virus which created a chaos in the entire world and thus leading to a pandemic situation has brought a social change. Fear of social gatherings or even simple communication between two individuals has created a doubtful mindset. Economic crisis and life threat has given rise to mental imbalance and has a psychological impact on the society. People are opting for suicides as a best solution for life. Even for the process of funerals, there are no family members present from the family if it's a COVID death case. Such a sudden drastic change in the society as well as at the workplace has brought into new adaptability pattern. Still, we are not sure of a perfect vaccine and treatment. So the threat for life still continues. At the workplace, due to the culture of social distancing, new online processes have evolved. So, post COVID, what the employers will look for? During the hiring process and the skill sets required for the jobs will be more focused on critical thinking ability of an employee. The technical know how will be given more importance. How quickly the worker learns the new processes and gets adapted to the situation will be considered first. One will have to continuously upgrade with newer skills and technologies with flexible working hours and patterns. Keeping oneself updated with a continuous changing factors in the environment will be the key role of the management and the employee. Having a positive outlook and attitude in various situations will be the soft skills requirement. Being aware and holding yourself accountable is particularly important during these challenging times. So, a strong leadership skill will be looked by an employer. As businesses has seen a high rise in the number of employees being able to work from home, it's likely this new style of working will last even after the pandemic ends. Communication and social intelligence, as they go hand in hand, there will be still a need for genuine human connection and understanding in every job role. To have good emotional intelligence is to be aware of and demonstrate empathy for others, emotions, and behaviors, which is crucial especially when people are feeling uneasy. Also, good communication skills are critical as many of us continue to work from home. Clarity in emails and at virtual meetings will be most important to bring in trust and retain high productivity levels. We have seen machines and digital technologies taking roles of human beings and giving a contribution in analytics and business operations. But human beings are still unique. They can think outside the box. They are the only lively resources which have got thinking power, who are filled with emotions. So, creativity and innovations will not only be associated with typically creative professionals, it will be essential across every industry and sector. While being flexible in the workplace was once aligned with only geographical mobility, it is now about having an open mindset, being able to work well under pressure, adjusting to new and unexpected deadlines, prioritizing tasks, and also sometimes taking an additional responsibility. So, even if the industry experts are predicting economic downfall, which would lead to job loss and pay cuts, we can still utilize this period to develop new skills that will help us to take forward our career in a post COVID world. We need to have a new outlook and adapt to changes to help us survive in the professional world after the pandemic is over. As they say, when a ship is in trouble, only an able captain can sail it through troubled water. Wishing you all the best luck and happiness for upcoming years. Thank you.